Hello YouTube, this is Sam from Tiger Schooling, and in this session of the video we're going to talk about the division, the surface division of the lungs. So we have got the left lung and the right lung. So how we can differentiate the left and right lung? Remember by the difference of this notch. This is called the cardiac notch, and the cardiac notch is always present on the left side of on the left lung. So remember, this is the left lung and this is the right lung. So we have divided lungs. We have actually divided each lung. There's a partition in each lung. This partition which divides the lung into two portions, which are called lobes. Like this partition, this line is called oblique line, and it divides the lung into two lobes. That is the superior lobe and the inferior lobe. Similar in this condition, that is the right lung. There's a partition. We're going to talk about this partition later on, but just remember, this is the oblique line which divides the lung into two partitions. That is the right lung, or the superior one and the inferior one. Let's just first talk about this one, the left lung, which has got a sciatic notch. Which have got the cardiac notch. So we have the superior lung and the inferior superior lobe and inferior lobe, which is divided by the this oblique line. So in each part we have 5 segments. In each lobe, remember that there are 5 segments. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is further divided into 1, 2, which is not mentioned in this picture clearly. But remember, on the superior side we have 5 lobes, and on the inferior side this small segment which are colored are called lobes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lobes in this area, and even in this area there are 5 lobes, like 6, 7, 8, and 8, 9, 10. Only 5 lobes. So this is all about the left lung. You're just gonna put it back, and now move towards the right lung. So right lung, in similar case, as was in the this is the right lung. In similar case, like in the left lung, we have the oblique line. We have here oblique line as well, but we have another line called the horizontal line. Like, it moves kind of horizontally, so we call it horizontal line. And remember, this oblique line divides the lung into superior and inferior, but the horizontal line divide the superior further, not the inferior. Inferior is safe, this oblique line, this is the inferior part. But and even in this condition we have 5 superior parts and 5 inferior, but superior further divided because of this oblique line. So just count the segments. These two, there would be 3 lobes: superior lobe, inferior lobe, and the middle lobe, which is because of the horizontal line which actually have come across the oblique line. So we have 5 segments in this condition, in this area: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And on the upper side, we have on the superior border we have got even 5. On the superior border we have got the 3 lobes, and in this condition, on the middle segment, middle lobe, we have got two of them, 2 segments. So 1A, 2, 3A, and 3. These are 1, but they are divided into 3A and 3. And in the similar case, we have in the middle lobe we have got 2 segments, that is 4 and 5. So we have got 5, 5, similar thing. And the superior we have got 4 here, through 3, 2, and 5, including this one. So this is all about the surface, you can say, how we differentiate, how we have differentiated the surface, because each segment is supplied by a different nerve. It's a nerve of their own veins and their own arteries. So it is when a doctor is going to apply doing a surgery. So these segments help the doctor to do a surgery on a particular part. For example, if we have a problem in this area, we don't have to disturb the whole lung or cut the whole lung. We just can operate on this area. So we don't. So this segmentation of the lung, or the division of the surface and even the inner part, helps a lot in the surgery. This is all for today. Please make sure to comment and let us know what would you like to learn. Thank you.